good smallmouth, Ricky.
All right, this is the first vlog. First vlog. We got Joe and Chase. It's gonna be my first video on YouTube. You see a bass.
I swear to God.
You always get hit.
Black tail, black stripe.
Come on.
Let's go. What is it?
It's
the chub.
That's a chub.
All right.
That's a good sign. There's some life in here. There's some life in here.
All right.
All right, let's see.
We got the first fish.
That's such good bass bait.
Look at this.
They look like mullet. Doesn't it look like a mullet?
Where's the hook at, bud?
Woo! There's a bigger one.
There we go. All right, first catch of the day. We take that. Is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell if it was a trout. Dude, Chase, put something smaller on, maybe.
I don't got that bag.
Oh, it's over there. We'll bring it over here.
I'm on.
Good shit.
All right, we got the chub.
All right.
All right.
So I think let's start. You know?
In the creek, catching.
There's chubs. There's chubs. There's cats.
I just got hit.
There's like 4. Chase, I put on a trout line right here.
How about, no, I don't want to just catch creek chubs.
No, but there might be trout. I don't know.
I mean, they're hitting me. I just need to get that hook.
All right, the chub.
First catch of the day.
Oh shit, I dropped it. Oh, it's bleeding all over me. God damn it.
Oh, what'd you just say?
Nothing.
Yeah.
All right, beautiful fish going in. Fishing in the creek. Come on. Oh. All right, I just got broke off. So now I'm retying my stuff.
You think this should be tough?
Casper, yeah.
I don't know where I put my gold on. I can't.
Broke off. Should I change the color? When should I change the color?
What color is it?
It's green.
Oh, you could pink. I always caught them on the pink.
All right, changing the color now. Cut back to that after I'm done. All right, got the color changed to pink.
You just hit me and left.
Yep.
You think 5 fish will be tough?
Yeah,
Bro, you know they sell crickets at Tag's Tackle?
they do.
You can buy crickets and then
Are crickets good?
yeah.
I'm on. Trout. Wait, is it trout? Nope.
You can go to show.
Chub. It's a big old chub right here. Oh shit. Oh no. Little divot.
What's up? Where's that trout?
Show the camera.
That
Damn.
Woo.
smells like shit, bro. Goddamn.
Joe, come here.
You gonna measure him?
Why are we measuring chubs?
So we could check who has the biggest one by the end of the day.
All right, I didn't get it on camera, but my friend just caught a bluegill out of the creek. Nice little fish. It's pretty rare in these waters.
Best I've ever seen in my life.
Show the camera. That's a shiner.
What's a bass?
Let me see.
That's the healthiest bass I've ever
Oh, that is
seen.
a bass.
Look at his stripe, bro.
I know that, right? That's...
Well, how about if a bear just comes out? I'm on. Oh, you got a shiner? Shiner? I'm on. Trout! trout. No, bass. Bass. Holy shit, he's fighting so hard. No.
Get him.
It's a smallmouth.
Yes?
I think. Bro, stop. It's a smallmouth. Give me.
It's not a smallmouth.
It is. Look at the colors.
That's not a smallmouth.
It's a smallmouth.
It's not a smallmouth.
Look.
That's not a smallmouth.
This is a smallmouth.
It's not a smallmouth, dipshit.
It's red eyes, bro. Come here. Look. Look. Look.
Oh,
Look.
yeah,
Look.
that is. Yeah, you're right.
Nice little smallmouth. Hold on, I'll clean it off. Hopefully it doesn't run away.
I'm tying on a small spinner.
Fuck. What is it called?
That's a large one.
The smallmouth.
Oh, it doesn't look like it.
Look at his eyes.
What'd you catch one?
That.
Fucking trout magnet?
Yeah.
We caught it on a trout magnet.
It's fat. It's fat. Yeah. I gotta get on camera. Nice little smallmouth. No, we're gonna let it go. Where's your smallmouth?
Yep.
Up. Oh, trout.
Yo, it's a giant. Yo, it's a giant trout.
Oh, shit.
Yo, he ate my spinner, bro. You saw him that I caught.
Yeah, watch it. Nice snag, little boy.
That wasn't a snag.
Bro, I can't get my... Yup.
Good shit. What is that?
What is it? The bass. Is it? It's a bass. Another bass.
Another bag.
Smallie. Small. Small and the other one. Up. Nice little bass. Hopefully this doesn't come off, bro. Alright. Nice little smallmouth. Second one ever. On a trout magnet. Nice little fish. Get in the water. Gotta get going.